Let me see. No, it's not filming. It's a good question. Oh, there it is. See the red button?
Yeah.
There it is. Now it's filming.
I see her.
You do, but I think the most important thing to film right now is to make sure her face or her head is in the frame. I'm sorry you have the hiccups, kiddo. Can you see her head?
Yeah.
Her face too? Great. You work really hard to film this photo. Miri, do you want to... Oh, yes. Say more. This is Miri in the morning on her brother Kiva's bed, who is filming this movie.
Where's the video?
It's filming right now. See that red thing blinking?
There's two things. There's two red things blinking.
Oh, you're right. I guess both of them are telling you that they're filming. And they'll be filming until you push the button to stop.
I'm gonna push it now.
Okay.